I'm PC Dewi Evans. I'm a police constable with North Wales Police Rural Crime Team. I'm going to introduce you to the M-SParc family from Harlech, who are very unfortunately victims of multiple putt bike thefts. What happened?
One morning in July, my husband woke up early, came down to the shed, and he found out that 2 quad bikes were stolen from the shed.
Oh Shan, it was your quad bike. How did you feel when someone stole it?
Very sad.
Helen, how did the theft of 2 quad bikes affect your business?
Well, it cost us a lot of money, and the insurance went up sky high.
My name's PC Dewi Evans. I'm a police constable with North Wales Police Rural Crime Team. One problem that plagues rural communities is the burglary of outbuildings. In this particular case, the offenders have damaged an old CCTV camera up here by knocking it off with a stick. They have then come to this key safe, they've broken it with a mallet, they've taken the key from within and they've opened the door. They've gone inside where they have then stolen the CCTV hard drive, eliminating that line of inquiry for us, and they have then stolen items from inside and left. My name's Dewi Evans. I'm a police constable with North Wales Police Rural Crime Team.
My name's Malcolm Atherton. I'm the fishery manager here at Llyntraws Fynydd.
Malcolm and myself are just going to have a look at the problem of the theft of Outboard motors.
Here we have a lock on the pontoon gate. This is part of security, and it's general on all pontoons and marinas where boats and motors are kept.
Malcolm, what happened here?
See the motors on the boats here? Well, they got stolen. We worked hard to get these motors there. They're about £800 each. So we lost 8 of them.
The value of the theft is extremely large, isn't it?
It is, yes.
How did they steal the engines?
Well, they made themselves onto the pontoon, onto the engines, and although we've got a pretty good lock on these motors, they managed to lever the motors off the boats, creating damage to the boats as well.
How did it make you feel?
Yeah, a loss of these engines, which we've worked hard to purchase in the first place. It's not a very nice feeling turning up in the morning and your engines have been taken away from you. Financially, at a cost of £800 each, it's quite an impact to a small business.
Well, if that's inspired you, then why not come to the Rural Crime Hack?
We're looking for a sensor or a device that can prevent the theft from taking place or can alert the farmer in real time.
We know that things are out there that exist already, but they're obviously not working because these crimes are still happening. We've got a cash prize for someone who can come up with a solution that actually works and helps prevent the crime.
The device that you come up with must be easy to use and must be cheap.